Well, hello everyone. How are you all doing? Welcome. Happy Friday. JK Lo-Fi, how are you doing? Welcome. I I am not sure, but I think that it's only you and I for now. But yes, how is everyone doing? Welcome. Oh my god, it's Friday. Uh, every Friday, as we have said, I want to make it so it is Game Dev Fridays. I honestly still do not know what's going to happen. Like, I barely, barely have the idea of which game I want to make, but I mean it's fine. I want to start experimenting with movement, with mechanics, and how do I say? The Anka avatar is still my main priority, and oh my god, yeah, that avatar, I am like 98% done, but that last percent is just so fucking difficult, but it's fine. Yeah, let's go to the hut. But yeah, oh my god, I don't know. I honestly I honestly do not expect uh, much from these game dev streams, but it is, yeah, after thinking a lot. Ooh, engineer, welcome. How are you doing? Yeah, I am like complaining. Well, not complaining, but I don't know. I am sure that these uh, game dev streams, like in general, are going to have like very little views. I have like no doubt about that, but still, like, it is still something that I want to do. I believe that streaming is mostly about sharing what you love with others, and game dev is something that has been in my life for a long time. But game dev is a very small niche. I believe that it is not something that you can, how do I say, unless you make, and I don't know, unless you are like Toby Fox or Notch or one of those people, I think that you cannot do much in game, like streaming game dev. But it's fine. I don't mind much. Just want to have some fun and yeah, share this with has been a passion of mine for some years now. But yes, oh engineer, how are you doing? JK Lo-Fi, welcome. And yeah, I have not done much in the project, to be honest. Actually, I have not done anything. All my time has been on the avatar. I am EP. It's Friday. It's expected to be. Fridays are EP days, that's for sure. Bye, the resonance. I am here and I am queer. Yay! How are you doing? Welcome. Yeah, I am. I am venting for the for the game dev stuff. Like, yeah, I am just going to keep venting about it, and I hope I hope that that's fine with all of you. I I do not know what's going to happen with these game dev streams, but I mean, as long as we can have fun, I'm fine with it. Yeah, like, I don't know, just love talking with all of you, and yeah, I have not done much. Um, all my, how do I say, all my effort has been on how do I say, has been in the Anka avatar right now. Also, okay, the last thing that I remember is that I did a git. I am using this thing that is called Smart Git, which I don't know what this is. All good, I am not a game dev, but actually derped around in Unity yesterday. Yay! I think that Unity itself is very cool. Okay. Oh, revealing file manager. Wait, where? Settings, I guess. Oh my, yeah. Like the last thing that I remember is that I was working in the Git, and I have no. Where's the Unity project? Is it this? Unity Hub. But yes, how is your week going, everyone? Okay, add project from this. It should be this one, I believe. Project not valid. Oh no. I think it's this. Okay, you remove. Also, yeah, I think that I found out how to fix the small UI in Unity, but when I fix that, it makes all the other apps go weird. So I have to select if I want Unity UI to look good or if I want the other apps to look good. But yeah, oh my god, yeah, how's your week going, everyone? Yay! Okay, so yes, it is this one. That's the avatar. You. Why? Yeah, this is the last thing that I did. I did I was creating a I was hosting my like a local Git server, and I was testing it. But I don't remember like where this is being saved, and how do I view? Yeah, I just want to see where was this test Git. I want to copy all the Unity project in there and then continue working. Oh my god. But yeah, like I don't know. The only Git that I have used is honestly how do I say is GitHub desktop. That's like the only thing that I have used for Git, and I don't know how to use anything else that is not GitHub. I honestly had never used. Okay, so it is this one. Okay, I see. Okay, I am going to copy all of this. Art Vapor, welcome. How you doing? How you doing, Art Vapor? Welcome, welcome. Okay, so I believe that I have to copy all of this in here. That's what I believe. I don't know if I am like doing the right thing or if I am like just fucking up. How are you doing, Raper? Today we are going to continue working on this masterpiece. Oh my god. Hi, good. Are you going? Are you working again? Yes. This is what we had on the past stream. Look at this. It's perfect. Yeah, like we have the Among Us, and it moves. That's like the last thing that we had. I don't know. I feel that I'm going to be reporting a lot of issues to Unity because I think that, yeah, making games on Linux is very doable. But oh my god, there are like so many quirks in Unity right now. And I have no idea if people is reporting those or not. Like one of the main issues that I have right now, and I was looking for it, and I believe that it cannot be fixed. When you are working in a game that has camera movement with the mouse, the game always has the cursor in the center, like somewhere in here. Oh yeah, making the cursor big. Yeah, the cursor always has to be in the center. So you move the camera, and the cursor has to come back to the center. And apparently that does not work on Wayland. Kitsune, welcome. So yes, I have two options right now. Yeah, Wayland is like the display server, like basically what is rendering the windows on your screen. 3 streak, wow! Thank you, Kitsune. Thank you for the 3 streak. How are you doing? So yeah, the like grabbing the cursor in the center is not possible on Wayland. So yeah, I have to install something called X11 to my Linux distribution, so I can grab the mouse and put it in the center. But X11 sometimes has delay on the screen. Quite the asset. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Wait, if we make this yellow, this could easily be a minion. Okay, that is worse. That is actually worse. Okay, yeah. Remind me to not do that again. Kitsune, how you doing? Okay, I'm going to close Unity again. Don't save. And okay. This. Okay, let's see. Yeah, what I want to do is kind of like a backup, I guess. So okay, let me know if someone let me know if I am doing this right, please. I have this. Okay, this is the base folder of the Git. I believe that I should put the git ignore file in here, right? If I don't want to track, yeah, because it is tracking a lot of stuff, and I think that it is ignoring the git ignore. Okay, where should I place git ignore? I still sore, but mostly okay. Yay for Kitsune being okay. I guess I have to stage everything, I guess. I feel that there's like something wrong in here. And I have no idea what. I mean, it's fine, I guess. Oh my god, I truly have no idea what I am doing right now. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. I am going to do a test commit and just pray that everything is going to be fine. Initial git commit. I don't know how to use this. And thank you for doxing me. Sarok, welcome. Also, yeah, I believe that I cannot use this app. It is going to be doxing me a lot. Sarok, welcome. I am here for the cutie, but I say for the beans. What? I don't know which beans are you talking about. Do you think that I am going to be out there just showing my beans to everyone? What kind of Nightbot am I? Am I? Welcome, Sarok. Yeah, I think you are confusing me with another Nightbot. Oh my god, but yes. I have been okay. Yeah, I have been working on the promo art for the Anka. And I finally have a sketch that I like. As weird as it sounds, and like, yeah, you all know me. Oh my god, I don't remember the master password. It's fine. Yeah, I finally have a sketch that I like. So yeah, I mean, I believe that on Monday I still have to finish the freebie, like the plushie. But maybe on Wednesday, if I have not finished the promo art, I guess that I can stream that. But yes, how is your week going? Right now, there is a furry event happening in my city right now. It's called Computer, and it is the biggest furry convention in Mexico. And I have plans to go tomorrow. I am excited, but also nervous. I feel, like, okay, right now on stream, it is easy for me to talk to everyone. But whenever there's a situation that is not like a stream, or yeah, it's just like very hard for me to talk to new people. I am excited. I actually want to go to computer. Like it is something that I want to do. Oh yeah, this is what fixes Unity. Yes. Like yes, I want to go to computer, but I don't know. I just really get nervous. Thursday is going well. Just finally got to relax after being out. I'm sure you will do fine if you just have fun. That's the idea. that's exactly the idea. That's what I want to do. I guess like what I believe that I am going to do is root and open. Yeah, like what I would like to do is how do I say? Whenever I go to the save as trusted. Oh my god. Everything is like either really big or very small. And yeah, I guess I need to remember everything that I was doing because I don't remember anything. uh, okay, what? Oh yeah, have you seen how people talks about documenting stuff? Like when you are okay, okay. I am not going to talk about this with the intention of like, how do I say, like farming dramas or whatever. Like it is not my intention. But do you remember that just recently, I mean the past month, people was what's the word? Yeah, like they were just like over pirate software because their code was bad. I don't know like how many of you did follow that, but one of the things that people was saying is that okay, I did all of this on the previous Friday, and right now I do not remember what anything do. Like, I mean, I can read this right now and remember where is everything, but yeah, like even if you are a solo developer, it is recommended that you start adding comments like, okay, I'm going to do an example. Variables for player movement. Like, okay, this one, I do not know what it is. I think that, oh, yeah. No, yeah, what is this? Oh, I see. But yeah, welcome, Sarah. I I promise. Okay, well, no, I don't promise. I mean, well, okay. What I can promise is that I hope that maybe sometime in the future, like this is kind of like a meaningful game. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, like I barely remember like where is everything. There are two things that I don't want to do today. And one of that is I want to detect when the player is like in the ground or when the player is like falling. We need to do that because I also want to do the jump today. Like I want to be able to keep walking and do a jump. Like that's what I want to do today. Also, there is okay. There is like ads starting very soon. I want to see if I have a joystick around. I know that I have a few around there, but I need to look for it. Okay, give me 1 second. I am going to look for a controller and like see if I can use it here. Okay, be right back. Give me less than 5 minutes. Be right back, everyone. Very quickly. Bop. I'm back. But yes, viruses. I look like the stream exploded. Oh no. Okay, so I want to see if this controller like actually works. I guess, let's see. Yummy cat, welcome. That Among Us cake. That Among Us is cake. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's fine. Is this working? I honestly don't know how to plug controllers on Linux. Like, I have an Xbox controller and it is like blinking, but yeah, I don't know how to connect it. Yeah, let's see. Yami, how are you doing? Welcome. Linux plug no Xbox controller. Okay, plug the controller. Use USB cable to connect the controller. Okay. Open the terminal and run the command L sub S. Let's see. Console. And look for an entry that mentions Microsoft Xbox. I don't see anything. Conan, welcome. What a saucy cake you're working in the screen. Don't worry about it. Sorry, the cute is back. I never left. Okay, I do not see anything that says Xbox. So I guess we are cooked. Nope. Nothing says Xbox in here. Yeah, nothing is changing actually. Conan, welcome. I believe that, yeah, I have a controller, but I don't have like any cables. That's the issue. I think that the cable that I found is very old. So yeah, maybe it's that. How you doing, Conan? Yeah, how are you? Okay, it's fine. I am going to try to keep using the mouse, but yeah, the problem is that the mouse does not stay in the center. And yeah, like I move it very little, and yeah, it does crazy things. Conan, welcome. I promise this will eventually be something interesting, but oh my god. Also, there is one website that I really like. I think that it's very cool for organizing. It's kind of like Trello but for game dev. It's called Hack and Plan. I am going to make a new account with this. Okay. Enter a username. Lune Snowtail. I accept the terms. Yes. Conan says, I am a bit sad. Pinky finger is a bit swollen and with a red mark. Going for checkup tomorrow morning. Yeah, I. How long has it been like that? But yeah, if it has been like that for quite some time, yeah, I think that I will. I think that that's the right thing to do. There was how do I say? I guess it's better, you know. It is always better to go to the doctor and they saying like, hey, you are fine, like this is just a stress, like don't, you need to calm down or whatever, you know. It feels a bit bad when that happens. But that is better than, wait, what? Oh my god. Yeah, that is better than just like something happening and like not attending it on. Yeah. Yay. Almost 20 years since last night, and the first time this happened on the same finger was in June. And did they say something back then? New project. Um, like name. Okay then. You can find me at the bottom of. But yeah, I think that it's good that you get checked. Anything that is making your day-to-day harder, I think that is good that you go and get checked. Okay. First thing first. Okay. Bon. Whoa. I'm too wrong to renew this, but I can lie and say I stopped again. Yeah, okay. Your economic safety is always going to be first. I spent my last of my money on junk. No. You should have waited like 1 week and then yeah, because like that's closer to the end of the month. I am thankful for the subscription, but I don't want you to subscribe if you are having money issues, because yeah, this stream is free. Yeah, I am thankful, but I am not what's the word, at ease. Like I feel guilty if you subscribe and you're having money issues. Like I feel very guilty if that happens. But thank you, I appreciate it. It's a fake sub. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that I can accept. Welcome, Bonbon. Conan says, back then, doctor told me to use cream for the infections and it cured well. But now I am having second thoughts. Oh no. Yeah, maybe if you don't feel, what's the word, like calm? Yeah, I think that, yeah, you should maybe check other doctors maybe. Okay, so first thing that I noticed is that going up and down is very bad. I need to set limits on the camera, like up and down. I need to set limits. Just Sora, welcome. I wish I had spent it on the sub, but it wasn't thinking when I bought that junk. Is that junk making you happy? If it is making you happy, then it's not junk. But okay, that also, if you, okay, all the basic stuff like food and wellness is there. Yes, sir says when the Nimbat is sauce. Not sure what you're talking about. I how the plush let you sleep well. You were so close to finish it last time. Yeah. Okay, before I dive my mind into game dev, let me show you. Let me show you the sketch that I was going on. Yeah, that I was working on. Okay, let me make sure that it is safe for work. Okay, yes, it's fine. I had to make sure. Okay, look at this. This is what I have for the promo art sketch. Yeah, I have been working on this one as well. Yeah, this is what we are going to have for the promo art of the avatar. Okay, what is left for the avatar? I need to test it one more time. I think that everything is fine, but yeah, I need to finish this art. Domain, thank you for the follow. Yeah, I need to finish this art, and I need to finish the trailer. Great work, yay! Kona says nice. No, said I'll use you when I receive it in the mail. Oh. Okay, where is Hack and Plan? Here. And let me close this stuff. Okay, new task. This is camera limits. Okay, what I need to do. Yeah, I am going to be putting a list of stuff here that I need to do, because otherwise I am 100% going to forget. Wait, can I edit? Domain Nimbat, yay! Nimbats are the best. Where do I add the a description? Meowdy, yay! Surreality, welcome. Yeah, okay. Back then. Okay, add description there. Okay, I want to add camera limits. Something else that I am going to try to do is camera collisions. Okay, make the camera with the world. Make the camera collide with the world. Okay, those are the two things that I want to do. It's reality, how you doing? Welcome. Yeah, like, oh my god, everything is so weird. Okay, we have, okay, main camera. Okay, cameras. How you doing, Serenity? How your week going? Brady, welcome. So many cute beans today. How are you doing? Wait, maybe. Okay, I am starting to think something, everyone. I believe that previously my game dev streams had been failing because I didn't have any cake. The only difference from the previous time that I did game dev streams and this one is the cake. That's the only difference. Also, wait. Okay, I had done something that captured the cursor. Brady, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gifted sub. IFPS Yoshi. Yeah, you got the sub. I mean, you could turn your Abby around. No, that's illegal. Thank you for the boost. Thank you for the gift, Brady. Thank you so much. Okay, wait. I had done something. Okay, just right now, I did something that hide the cursor. Oh, I see. Okay, this is good news. If I right click on the game view, the cursor gets locked and I can test normally. Oh my god, this is really good. Okay. But yeah, I need to start adding like controllers, I guess. So create empty, and this is going to be input manager. Cake. I don't know what you're talking about. It's fine. Okay. Input. Mono behavior script. This is input manager. And yeah, I want this script to have like bunch of options like mouse sensitivity and that stuff. I can't stop loading. Oh no. Okay, public float. I guess horizontal sensitivity. I'm going to call this one. I don't know. Public bool invert y. Oh my god. And yes, very important. Okay, I need to add a description. This class is in charge input and input settings. Oh my god, yeah, like there are like so many things that I could be doing right now, and it is like Yeah, early stages of game dev kind of feels like. Have you seen these videos where, I don't know, that are like, oh, I purchased my dog pet, I don't know, 1,000 balls, and just, yeah, like, to give it a surprise. And then, like, they throw like 1,000 balls and, like, the dog doesn't know what to do. Like, that is how it feels right now. That's exactly how it feels right now. Okay, and I am going to copy this. Okay, copy component. And I am going to be pasting this in here. And remove the player input from here. The player input is the component that receives all the data for the keyboard or controller or whatever. Batman says, so before my anxiety, oh, you started shifting into hypomania. Oh. Oh no, it's fine. I I guess that one of the things that is very different in English and Spanish is that, you know, okay, in English they have like this yeah, there's like romantic love and platonic love, but in English the word is the same. And yeah, in Spanish we have a word for like platonic love or like admiration or just like when you just care about someone. Like we have like a word for that, and then we have another word for romantic love, the one that is like more serious and very close. And I guess that the issue that I have with the word love in English is that I do not know which one is which. I mean, I can say that I love like everyone that is on the chat right now because I really care about you. I want all of you to be happy, to follow your dreams. But yeah, like I don't know. I am always nervous to use that word. There is no different word. Yeah, in English there is not, and that's the like for someone that like me that speaks Spanish and then like goes to English, it is like it feels like a limitation. You can say care for or cherish. I guess cherish cherish is good, but like it still feels very distant. Contextually, you can say, I see. I like you do the same way. Oh. Yeah, something that I want to do is actually learn to show affection. But I feel that it is going to take some time. But yeah, like I can say that yeah. I love talking with all of you. I care about all of you. Yeah. So yeah, I can say like yeah, I love you all. But it's like this like friend kind of love. And yeah, when you speak Spanish or other language that has different words for different intensity or types of love, trying to describe that in English is very difficult. It is like you have one less color to talk with. The way you share affection for us is showing up to the stream. Ah. No, but like still, honestly, I would like to be more open about like yeah, I want to show my affection to everyone. Like I would like to have more tools to show that. And yeah, I guess I am going to be working on it, but yeah, I really would like to have more tools for that. Okay, public static void. Um, the invite going cute. No, yeah, and game dev really is something that has been important for me for a big part of my life. Yay! Okay, cursor is being locked. Okay, I like it. Oh, say, oh, for me, expressing love and admiration helps me calm down, so don't actually start. Yeah, I see. Okay, that is fine. Don't worry about it. I am very thankful with the support of everyone. But more than that, I am very thankful for your company. Like I could be right now like just working on this on my own and like all bored and like alone and stuff. But doing all of this while talking with all of you is way more fun than watching Fairy Tail like there's no tomorrow. How good is it? How many episodes are there? I see Kitsune. I'll tell you when the others. Okay, it's fine. Okay, what I want to do, I want this input manager to receive all the input and then this one send the information to the player. But I do not know if that is the best way to do it. Why do I want to do that? Because I want this input manager to be in charge of like um like all the settings for the mouse and stuff. I'm back now. Yay! Oh yeah, how many episodes are there of Fairy Tail? I know. Okay, the only thing that I know about Fairy Tail is that there's like a blue cat mascot in the anime, and I am like, wow, this character on its own, it's almost enough to make me watch the thing. Almost. It depends how long it is. There's just over 3,000. I'm out. I'm sorry, but I am out. This blue cat could be very cute or whatever, but 300 episodes, I am out. Well, I mean, I guess I can give it a try for like, I don't know, 5 episodes, and if it is good, yeah, I can continue. I mean, there's like no dishonor, I guess, in just stopping watching an anime that I don't like. That did happen to me with oh my god, what's the name? Um this anime with the bunny with Emul. Oh, Shangri-La Frontier. I'm on episode 90 and it's great so far. Finished around 5 or 6 years ago. Oh, okay, if it is done, yeah, maybe I can give it a try. Okay. How do I forgot how to do events. No, just give me the code. I oh my god. No, I don't want a Unity event. Okay. I want this. Oh yeah, this. Public delegate void. And then no wait. This. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. It is like one of those things that I remember, like how are they done, but then I just forget the syntaxes for it. But oh my god, I am thinking like what's the best way to do it. I guess. Then it is public static. And yeah, oh my god, this name is so bad. Oh my god, okay. Yeah, I am like so disconnected of everything right now. Yeah, and this usually happens whenever, because okay, I was working on art right now. And yeah, I do notice that I don't know, if I start working on art one day and then move to code, like the brain is already like thinking in one direction. And if I have to switch, like, I don't know, from art to code or from code to art, it takes me a while. And yeah, what plans do you have for the weekend? I have been listening that the um what is like this anime, this movie, Chainsaw Man. I no Chainsaw Man, man, no man. Yeah, Chainsaw Man. I have been reading, not reading, but like I have been looking that it has good comments. I was invited to watch the anime. Yeah, like some friends were like, "Hey, Lone, we're going to watch Chainsaw Man," and I was like, "Yeah, like, do you wanna watch?" Yeah, sure. We started watching, and yeah, it legit. It's about a man that turns into a chainsaw, and I was like, "Wow." They were actually not lying. It is actually just about that. So yeah, it was very interesting to watch, not going to lie. But yeah, now that I am seeing that the movie has kind of like good reviews, I am interested in seeing what it is about. Yeah, I am actually curious to see what it is about. I know that it has like this small dog. Uh, yeah, it has like a very cute orange dog, and I don't know its name. Something like Wichita, something like that. I have no idea. Wichita. Yay. Okay, so right now everything still looks the same, but I am kind of like organizing where everything is going. Okay, systems. I need to create another call camera. And this is going to be game camera, um, third person. Oh, wait, what? Oh, okay. I already had something. Taking save, honestly, that will be a good idea. Like right now, as as things are right now, I barely know what I am doing. Hey, but I okay, game dev and everything, I love that. It's like that. Oh, I see. Okay, this is going to be an issue, but I will fix all of this when the time is due. Oh my god, which one is the one? Yeah, in Visual Studio Code, I had like one option that it will take me to the like to the code to this object, but I don't know which one is in here. Oh, okay, it's fine. I found it. Wow. Oh, this is. What is this Freedom Drive remix? It says yeah, Freedom Dive TPC Overcute remix. Just like everyone in the chat right now. Overcute remix. Now that you mention it, I think that I have not heard the original, by the way. Oh my god, I'm so hacking them. Yeah, basically I am copying the same code from the like from the movement of the player, like to move the camera, and something tells me that maybe this is not okay. Yeah, something tells me that this is not fine. I believe that whenever you are copying and pasting code, there's like something that is wrong. Yeah, I don't like copying and pasting code. Like it makes me think that there's like something that is wrong whenever that is happening. But yeah, like on the past Friday, I had like the code for moving the player and moving the camera was in the same script. And what I am doing right now is I am giving the camera its own script because yes, it is this is going to start growing very quickly, and yeah, I don't want to merge. I don't want to have everything in the same code. Blue, the career, welcome. How you doing? How you doing, Blue? Welcome. Tired after getting add-ons to work on an avatar. Oh my god. I think that yes, I am one of the few people that actually understand why why you are so tired. Ah, oh my god. Exumis, yay, welcome. This is my second uh, game dev stream in like 5 years. Oh my god. How you doing? Welcome. Okay, yeah, thinking how to organize this stuff. I just had 12 hours of UA5 session. My head is about to explode. Whoa! Oh my god, yeah. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Thank you so much. Welcome. Yeah, usually I do VR chat avatars. But every Friday I set up a goal, and every Friday is going to be game dev streams. Actually, wow, 15 hours. Oh my god. Yeah, there is like one point when you are very focused on something that you actually forget to it. That sounds like Power Rangers. Oh my god. Yeah, like, why am you using Cinemachine in the player script? It just like makes no sense. Ended up having to clone the avatar ad as its prefab to the main. Wow. So yeah, played around with motion matching, locomotion, and all that. I had a problem for the past hours and that I could not solve. It's driving me insane. I get you. You even work with motion matching or ALS? Gasp? No, I don't think so. Honestly, all my experience is on Unity. Yeah, I use Unity. I am a Unity peasant. Since I have been a solo dev most of my life, I feel that Unreal will be an overkill for me. I'm just hoping someone to Twitch could help me. I have a game dev community, but it is in Spanish. Like in that community, I am sure that someone will help you, but yeah, I don't use Unreal. Sorry. If you talk Spanish, yeah, I can direct you to my community. I don't understand Spanish. But yeah, I mean, that's like the only thing that I can offer. I'm sorry. Yeah, I am a Unity peasant, and I think that I am going to be for a long time, to be honest. Yeah, like why is the camera speed on the player script? I mean, it's fine, we were testing stuff, but yeah. But man said I know half a language, and that's it. That's a lot. There was one time when I wanted to learn Korean, but yeah, I only learned like 3 words, and I forgot all of them already. Something that I can say is that Spanish, when it comes to emotions or feelings, we have a lot of words. Sometimes I want to describe something about how I feel, and it's so difficult in English. It is like, yeah, you have like less colors to talk about emotions and feelings. Okay, I need the orbital following here and input manager. Okay, if everything is right, we should have exactly the same behavior. Yay! Okay, we have the same behavior, but like everything is in its own script. So yeah, that's good for now. I am thinking if... Okay, let's say that we are here. Like this is a clip, right? Should I allow the camera to be in here? Like, okay, if we are like, okay, if there's like a floor, I think that the camera should collide in here. Like, I should not allow the camera to go below like this because we have a floor in there. But what about here? should I allow the camera to go all the way down like this? What do you think? I think I should, but I don't know. What do you think? Like here, okay, yeah. Like here now, it should collide with the floor right now. Maybe not allow it. Like this, like should this not be allowed? Okay, let me make this example more clear. Okay, here. Yeah, like in here, yeah, the camera should collide with the floor. But in here, like, okay, there is no floor in here. Should I allow the camera to go below? Started yet another 12 hours sprint. Let's go. I believe in you, Serenity. Yeah, I do not know if I should allow this. Like, maybe it's fine, but like, not all the way down. Not on the floor, yes, for edges with walls. Yeah, that's what I meant, like, here, like this. Like, I believe that this should be fine. But yeah, like, not inside the cube, yeah. Okay. Make it collide with the floor. Oh, not the current layer height. Yes. Okay. I am happy with that. So people can get cinematic with it if they want to. Yes, that's the idea. Exactly, that's the idea. Okay, just need to see. Okay. Okay, horizontal axis, vertical axis. Where do I set like oh, radius, I believe, yeah. Okay, radius. Let's go. Okay. So what I need to, I think that the collision is very simple. What I need to do is have a raycast. Array is like, yeah, just like you project a ray and it collides with stuff. So yeah, I need to make a raycast from the player to the target camera position. And if it collides, yeah, I just need to reduce the radius of the orbital follow. Also make it perspective camera angle when it collides, so it zooms in. Shiny, but it's fine. Okay, references. This is going to be public transform layer start. Okay, raycast. Origin. Okay, this is fine. Public float max camera distance. I think that right now is like 10. And yeah, honestly, I want to play indie games and like maybe share them in here. Because yes, I feel that maybe some of the design rules that I did learn, I feel that maybe they are updated already. So yeah, I don't want to fall behind. Okay, I am going to make an empty object. This is going to be camera target. So the camera, yeah, the camera is going to be looking at this. Gensil, Gensil, ¿veniste con Furor? Did you came to computer? Gensil? Trying to get into game of head electric right now. Oh, what is that? Raycast origin. That will be the target. Raycast target, I guess ourselves. Which okay, this is useless. Okay, it's fine. No problem. Okay. Camera ray dot origin. Yes. Oh. Oh yeah, I need the private camera raycast it. Did you came to computer? ¿Veniste computer? The open beta is active for 3 days. Oh, what is it? What it is about? Yeah, what it is about? Uh,
Sailors in the sky, billions of light years away from here. I don't know how to get. Maybe I can reach it for the rest of my life. It'll be a long journey. However, there is no idea of giving up forever. Feel the reach of caramel. I will gladly run around.
and okay, we do the raycast right now. If T6 raycast camera ray out. Oh, okay. The intelligence for radar is very good. I like it. Okay, orbital radius equals, yes. Okay, I believe that this should be enough to have camera collisions, but we shall see. To my knowledge, it's a team-based shooter. To kill and it works. It is working. Let's go. Yay, we have camera collisions. Wait, this is very silly. Yeah. Okay, so what happens if we go here? Okay, in here the camera is going to collide with the, yeah. Sometimes uh what I need to do is add like top and bottom limits, because after it flips the controllers like are totally inverted. Yeah, like here they are fine, but if I keep going up, the controller gets inverted. Yay, let's go. You know what? Yeah, I actually think this is fine. I guess if there's like, okay, like right now it is colliding with the floor. Like, yeah, let's see in here. Oh, not this. I mean, wait. Oh, here. Yeah, like right now the camera is colliding with the floor, right? So I think that after it stops colliding, it needs to like move away very smoothly. But yeah, I need to add limits for looking up and down. That is a limit that I need to add. I need to add right now. The rest is fine. And yeah, since everything is how do I say? Everything is in its own script. Yeah, making stuff is way easier now. And yeah, I can start removing stuff that I am not using. And this, yeah. And yeah, I need to put a limit to this one. And I think that we can do that with Dev. Dot. It was clip? No. Clamp. Okay, yes. This is the value. What is the minimum value that we can get? It should be... Oh my god. Dot clamp value, I guess? No. Wait. I guess range. Oh my god, the text is so fucking big. Yeah, this line is so fucking long. Yes, good. We are getting closer to perfection. Yay! Big tummy. Oh my god, the sensitivity is so fucking high. But yeah, okay, yeah, we are actually getting there. Camera speed, yeah. Like, way less sensitive. I love how the game starts, 10 out of 10. And, okay. Camera settings, okay, we have camera speed, we have max camera distance, public, bool, invert, y-axis. Yeah, like, this is actually going faster than what I had in mind. I was expecting this to take way more time, by the way. Yay! Yeah, it is actually starting to... It is starting to feel good, by the way. And yeah, I guess that I have in this project, yeah, like 6 hours so far. Yeah, 6 hours, and we have yeah, like basic movement and basic camera. Yay. I mean, right now it is still kind of like getting inside the walls, but like by a little bit, not by much. I am going to add some more like a margin to the collision. Yeah, so it does not get inside the walls. So instead of like just putting the camera where the ray collides, I move the camera a little bit forward if it collides with something. But yeah, like with the floor, it is still kind of like gets inside a little bit. But yeah, I think this side. Oh, if it is close, it's fine. But if it is very far, yeah, like it does not. Yeah, it is still kind of gets inside. So specifically for the floor, I think that what I can do is check if there's like floor below with a raycast as well, and make sure that we cannot go below certain distance. But yeah, it's getting there. Like it's getting there actually very fast. Yeah, like we can move, we can walk normally, we can run. And something else that I want to do is jumping. I oh oh okay. Look at this. This is something that I believe happens in like 90% of Unity games. Kitsune says bedtime for me. Night night, Kitsune. Yes, it is good that you are going to bed early. I hope that you recover soon. Night night, Kitsune. Oh yeah, but like this is something that happens a lot in of Unity games, and I know that I have solved this issue, but right now I do not remember how. So if you have two colliders and they they are like, yeah, they are intersecting in an angle smaller to 90 degrees or less, you can like kind of like walk, towards it. And I do not know the conditions, but like you can clip inside of it. I just do not remember exactly the conditions, but yes, I have done this so many times with so many games. And oh yeah, okay, yes, there you go. There. This only happens Yeah, look at this. Yeah. This only happens if two colliders are intersecting in 90 degrees or more. Or less, I mean. And yeah, I believe that this happens in a lot of Unity games, by the way. So weird. I I think that I know why it happens, but yeah, it's kind of normal somehow. I have fixed this. I just do not remember how. I guess okay. I have to set the rigid body to extrapolate. I believe. No, actually, it makes it more. But yeah, it depends on which collider I touch first. So if I first touch the ramp and then the other wall and run, yeah, it is going to send me in the like yeah in the direction of the wall. But if I do it the other way, yeah, it sends me to the other direction. I think that I know the theory behind this, but also yeah, it can be fixed. But yeah. Oh yeah, I remember how I fixed this. I made like a capsule raycast and make sure that I can only move if the capsule can move. Oh no. Okay, let me get some chips because yes, I want chips. Okay, be right back. Be right back. Okay, let me get some chips. Be right back. Does anyone wants anything from the kitchen, by the way? Is the yeah, it's your only chance. Anyone wants anything from the kitchen? You have 5 seconds. Gummies? I don't have gummies. Yeah, we don't have gummies, sadly. Okay, be right back. Yeah, we have anything that does not have sugar. I want you to be happy. Does that count? Let's see if we have that. Cookies. We just ran out of cookies. Soda, only non-sugar soda. Okay, be right back. Raisins? Yeah, we have those. My mom loves them. I do not. Okay, be right back. I'm back. Ugu engineer. Hello. Classic, welcome. How you doing? Yeah, thank you for the Ugu class. Ugu, I mean. Taking safe? Yes. I think everything is safe. Still Ugu. Yay. Ugu is a lifestyle. Yes, Ugu is definitely a lifestyle. I did not choose the Ugu life. The Ugu life chose me. I am thinking. Yeah, I guess usually. Um. Oh, okay. But if I do this, yeah. Hmm. Okay. What I am going to do now is I don't want the camera to get like too close to the floor. And yeah, that's very easy to do. I'm going to rename this collision distance. Public, no, yeah, public close collision floor distance. So yes, what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be doing a raycast from the camera to the ground, like going down. And if that ray is touching something, I am not going to let the camera go lower. That should fix the camera going inside the ground. And also, like, okay, I want to make a disclaimer. Right now, I am solving stuff very quickly because all of these are problems that I have faced already. But the first time that you want to um, like to solve this kind of stuff, oh my god. Yeah, it's very yeah, private rate. No. Also, a lot of these just come from observation, like how other games just solve these issues. That's why I want to play more stuff because yes, again, I feel that I am like I don't know, 8 years behind. Like I don't know what games have been doing in the last 8 years, something like that. This is what was the name? When only one instance of a class exists, a singleton. Then camera ground rate dot direction is always down. When engineer says games in the last 8 years, everything is a gacha. Okay, yeah, that aspect sucks. Yeah, not that one. I should start by implementing loot boxes. Why did not thought about that? Everything is gacha, everything is mobile, everything requires more specs you have. Yes. Wait. Oh, they changed the name of the function. It is just Raycast now. It used to be Raycast keys. Don't will add cute boxes. Oh no. Yeah, we can add those very soon. EA Games wants to know your location. Exchange 50 Lune crystals for 120 rocks that can buy wishes. Oh my god. Yeah, like this is also like kind of old news, but yeah. People was saying that in order to get the max items in Diablo Immortal, you needed to spend like 180,000 USD or something like that. It was, yeah, that's a ridiculous amount of money. Gonna headband now. 9 Conan. If direction dot y is less than 0, return. That's like beyond whaling. Yeah. I have shared this story many times, but when I went to one of my first GDCs and I started hearing the concept of whale, I just legit got so angry. Because yeah, when you put a name like whale to people that is spending money, you just like stop seeing people as people. Like you take like all their humanity away and you only see them like as money bags, like walking money bags basically. It's yeah, when I did hear that concept, I honestly felt very sad. Not going to lie. True. I feel like within the community it's tongue in cheek, but I imagine it's very cynically with the companies. Oh, what? I don't know what tongue in cheek means. Yeah, I had never heard that expression, so I'm not sure what it means. Yeah, okay. It only kind of like touches the floor once, then it does not go below there. But yeah, if I do it very fast, then yeah. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, there's an issue with this approach. Oh, what can I do? Oh, it's an English idiom meaning say it as a low-key joke. I see. No, I think that companies when they refer to whales, I think that they are taking like they are talking seriously. Like I really think that's how they see those players. And yeah, I did hear that term in the last GDC that I attended. It was 2018, I believe. And even back then in 2018, they said like it was a talk about how to maximize your profit with mobile ads. I did not have like a fancy badge or anything, so that was the only talk that I could attend. And they were saying, yeah, that whenever, I mean, they were selling a system, I mean, for ads and stuff. But one of the features of that system is that it will track specific whales and they will sell you a service that sends those whales to other games that you have as well, which means they are tracking them and their expense, yeah, like their spending habits. It's beyond insane. People who use the term whale in ears are the scum of the earth. Yeah, I mean, of the game development community, yeah. How willingly dehumanizing, yes. And there are studies that say that usually people that do that is people that needs like it is people that is how do I say? I don't want to be disrespectful. It is people that is not in control of their mind entirely, and they're yeah, it's very impulsive people, and definitely not. I spend money on gacha, like cute characters that don't take up space on my shell, but the games can be so formulaic. Yes. I mean, when you buy physical stuff, I think that that's a bit different. I mean, maybe that one is not as bad, but still, yeah. Okay, this is okay. I am not going to worry about the floor right now. Yeah, not going to worry about the floor right now. It's fine. What I want to do now is jumping. I am going to do jumping. I think that it is going to take a few minutes. And I guess that after jumping, maybe I am going to start modeling a placeholder character. So we can like start testing animations and stuff. which means maybe the Among Us is going to leave us very soon. Okay, good. The name is Holder. Placeholder. Yes. Yeah, like, honestly, I barely have an idea of what stuff I want to do, like, for this game. But yeah, I want to start prototyping movement, maybe some combat, some weapons. Trying to start looking for a art style. etc. Okay, actor base. Move ground. Okay. I don't know if I should call the function jump or just impulse. I'm going to call it jump. It's fine. Yeah, jump force is fine. Okay, first I need to set up the input key for that. Oh, how did you know that I was going to do that? Player on move, player, okay, public. Yeah, how did it knew that I was going to do that? Yeah, intelligence has became smarter with time. I do not know if Rider is AI assisted. Okay, what is context? Context dot okay, these are four different states. I see. Yeah, I feel that, I mean, it's fine. I am going to be need, I will need to change a lot of stuff as we go. Pan, welcome. Pan, welcome. Pan, I will go tomorrow to computer, I believe. Let's go. Yay. Oh my god, Ryder just recommended me this name and then it is complaining that the name is not okay. About your fidget sixer. Wow, are they selling fidget stuff in there? Are there Nimbat stuff? Oh, okay, I need to move this one as well. Yeah, so tomorrow in the morning I have a Discord call. Then it is going to finish around 3 p.m. something around that. So yeah, after that call is over, yeah, I am going to computer. Only one sticker. I thought I saw someone carrying a fidget plush. Whoa! Let's go. Input manager. Dot input on jump. Oh my god. On jump. Yeah, I feel that I am doing a lot of dumb stuff, by the way. Perform, cancelled, started. Oh, start time. Yeah, I am thinking. Yeah, they have changed a lot of stuff. Oh no, it is mostly the same. I am just a bit rusty. And how is Computer Pan? Are you enjoying it? How is it going? Uh, yeah, it's fine. Comfort is good. Yay! No, you. Like, I am not going to worry about that stuff right now. I was thinking like I want to have this effect where I don't know if you press like and release the button quickly, you have like a shorter jump. But I mean, it's fine. We are going to do things very slowly. It's fine. Right now, it's just going to be a normal jump. Like, you click the button, you jump. We're gonna start tweaking after. But what we need is like start testing as quick as possible. I am going to say, I don't know, 10 right now. Jump force, I don't know, 10. I still do not even know what's going to happen. Okay, this is the input, this is the actor base, this is player. I am thinking. Oh, this is, yeah, it was. This is exactly what I wanted to do. This is actually scaring me a little bit, not going to lie. Yeah, this is actually scaring me a little bit. It is predicting a big part of the code that I want to do. So yes, this is being a bit scary. Okay, let's see. First jump attempt. Yay, it's moving. Yay. Just says, I'd be careful if that really is Genai, then it could potentially like to malware in this code. It's Genai is the one for images and videos. For coding, the most it will be an LLM, but I don't think it is the case because they sell that one, and I don't remember subscribing to anything. Yay, we can jump now. And yeah, we can keep jumping infinitely. Yay! Yeah, we can just keep jumping like forever, and it's fine. Also, I believe that Unity has been getting more relaxed with how you manipulate the rigid bodies and stuff. Yeah, I think that they just have been improving how everything works. I remember previously that just moving the rigid bodies like this was not enough. Congrats, yay! Thank you. I know that this does not looks like much yet, but yeah, it's being a good base. And yeah, if I am running and I press jump, or if I am running and I press jump, yeah, like the physics just like go weird. It's That's fine. It's normal. It is normal for now. Yeah, we are going to be fixing stuff very slowly. Yay! And also, yeah, like the camera is still a bit shaky when we are running. It's fine. We are going to be fixing everything very slowly. But yeah, it's fine. Yeah, we are getting there. Okay. Yay. Yeah. Not not going to lie. Doing all of this is like bringing me so many memories. And yes, I am really having a very good time. Thank you so much, everyone, for letting me stream game dev again. Glad you're having so much fun. Yay! No, yeah, honestly, yeah, this is bringing me so many memories. Okay, so if I want to code how many times can we jump, we need to do two things. We need okay, yeah, we need to start counting every time that we press yeah, every time that we call the jump function. Like we need to start counting those. And second, we need to detect when are we on the floor. Because when we are on the floor, we need to reset the number of jumps that we have done so far. So yes, we need to do yeah, we need to do ground detection right now. Okay, camera limits. This is okay. Testing camera collisions. Then I'm going to add a new task. Jumping. This is in progress. Task ground detection. Yeah, all of these tasks is just like to make sure what have you been working on and what do you next to do. Imagine that if this were an RTS, all of this is like your minimap. So you know where have you been, where are you right now, and where do you need to go. Very important. Fan, welcome. Mart Val Val. This is stream when the world destroyer shows up. What is happening? Oh no. What is World Destroyer? I have a song called Destroyer in my playlist, but I don't think that you are talking about that. I don't think that it's even on this playlist, by the way. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, it's a Sakyuso song. Nope, not on this playlist. Ivan Harry, welcome. How are you doing? Welcome. Yeah, the game is going very well, by the way. Yeah, I have been saying that. Okay, I don't want you to answer. I don't want anyone to answer. I do not know how many people is in here right now. Yes, okay, I don't want to know. Honestly, I rarely expect, like, for game dev, I rarely expect more than 10, to be honest. But yeah, like, yeah, we have a camera that moves around, the camera collides with the ground and the walls, and we can jump. Taking safe, it is safe. Yay. How did it do that? Do what? That's all great. Yay. No, you. But yeah, right now we can just like jump and like, yeah. Yeah, we can just like keep going forever. But yeah, if we want to stop the infinite jumps, yeah, we need to detect when are we in the ground and yeah, reset the okay, we need to count the jumps and we need to know when are we hitting the ground so we can reset the jumps. Okay, so I am thinking. So okay, right now I don't know how much code you all in the chat know, but basically I have an object called actor base. Yeah, this is like some code that is this code is going to be on the base of anything that is an enemy, the player, an NPC, or whatever. So yeah, everything that is related to movement is being coded in actor base, and then we have the player, and the player is basically we are saying here like, oh, this player script start from the actor base. So we are copying all the function and properties that this code has. So that way, whenever I need to add a new NPC, a new enemy, or whatever, we already have all the base done. So yeah, I think that that's why this is kind of cool. However, I I am thinking like how when I am thinking right now that I want to detect the collisions on the ground, I am not thinking only in the player. I am thinking on how to solve this for every possible enemy or NPC that we are going to potentially have in this game. Like, I am trying to resolve issues that don't even exist yet. So yeah, basically what I need is a raycast that is going down, but I do not know if everything is going to have that raycast at the actor level, or if everything should be defined like at the implementation level. Like, yeah, what will solve like the most scenarios in the future? I am thinking. I guess for now, yeah, I guess it's fine if we do it at actor level. Let's see. Bixie! Whoa! 49! Whoa, Bixie! Thank you so much! 49 months, that's a heckin' lot. Thank you so much, Bixie. How are you doing? Got on with that code, design those games. Good to see you back streaming Dev. Whoa! Those are very cool rhymes, by the way. Thank you so much, Bixie. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Can we give pats to Bixie, please? Bixie is a wonderful skunk, and honestly, Bixie is very smart. Like, for all of this code and math stuff, Bixie, big genius. I think that all the mods went to bed already, so I'm going to make the shout out myself. Yes, everyone, please follow Bixie, amazing skunk. Bixie, how are you? Yeah, the how do I say? Yeah, the this is all very fun. I'm doing great, just studying and studying and an anatomy textbook right now. Math comes easy to me, but I'm working on my artistic eye. I think that that's the most important. Yeah, I mean for art, yeah. Okay, current jumps plus plus. If current jumps is bigger than max jumps, then return and like don't do anything. If yeah, I believe that we are going to run in some situations where we want to ignore the max number of jumps. It says, how are you doing? What's your goal with this game, Dev? Honestly, I think that the goal right now is just getting back to it. I have a very blurry idea of what I want to do right now with this game, but I don't want to wait to have a more clear picture. I want to like start testing the movement and all that stuff right now. Yeah, like okay, my jumps I am going to put 2 jumps, so we can do one air jump. Yeah, like um 1, 2, and then yeah, we cannot jump, but we do not detect the ground yet, so yeah, we cannot jump again. If I were to say, and okay, for anyone that has not seen me code or anything, okay, yeah, the main idea for this game, if I were to say in like five five words or less, is roguelike, furry, Majora's Mask. That's the those are the 5 keywords for this game. That's very just like my anatomy studies right now. I mean, yes, like I am confident that as long as yeah, I know the main idea where I want to go with this game. I have not thought about the small details, but I am sure that all of that is going to come out naturally in a bit. Oh, that sounds awesome. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I hope so. But yeah, right now it's just like cubes and spheres and cake. That's what we have right now. But yeah, I am confident that everything is going to come slowly.
Didn't see that one coming.
I'm sure it will come. Yay, I hope so. And okay, I'm going to make a new object. So okay, the way I want to detect the if we are in the ground. Oh, I mean, I'm going to wait. There is ads right now. But yeah, like the way I want to do that is how do I say? Is I want to make a sphere cast, which is the same as a ray cast. Like you have a sphere and you move it through a direction, and if it collides with something, it gives you all the information back. So yes, I want to have a sphere cast like that is touching down, because with the capsule collider, if I only check for collisions with the capsule, I could trigger ground detection by touching a wall. So yeah, that is something that I don't want. I am thinking. No, sphere cast. Ray. Okay. Radius, max distance, layer mask. Yeah, I am going to need this one very soon. Ray, radius. Okay, wait. Origin, radius, direction, hit info, max distance. This is the one that I need. Ray, origin, dot position. Oh my god. Yeah, like there are like so many possible ways to do what I have in mind. Whenever that happens, it is like you start thinking like, is this the best way to do what I want? Honestly, I guess that most of what I want right now is how do I say? It is prototype as quick as possible and then just clean the code. Like whenever something feels good or works, then I think that it's better to just like start cleaning the code after that than trying to focus right now on everything like being super clean and stuff. Okay, I barely have idea of what I am doing. I honestly barely have an idea of what I am doing. It is like yeah, it is like a mix between I think that this is going to work, but I have no idea why. A lot of game dev and coding, it is just like that. So yes, okay, what I want to do is draw a line from this point that is the initial one that is going to start checking for collisions, and then if it collides, yeah, if this ray collides with something, I want this sphere to like um stay where it collides. uh, oh, YouTube is being weird again. Oh, there you go. Yay! It is working. Yes. Yeah, so basically what I am doing, I am just casting a ray going down. And yeah, this is what I am going to be doing. If this ray is touching the ground, I mean, it is not going to be this long, it is not going to be like this far away. But yeah, if this ray is touching the ground, then yeah, I am just going to assume that the player is on the ground. That's what I am going to do. It is the approach that I have been taking, and most of the time it has been working. Okay, distance maybe like this. Yeah, it should not be that long. Just a distance that is barely enough to stop touching. Yeah, like just okay, a distance barely enough to be below the collision capsule. Like that's that's all the distance that I need. Okay, I believe that yeah, this should reset all the jumps. And yeah, again, the idea is to solve issues for if you have one problem that many things are going to have, then yeah, it's yeah. You need to try to fix as most problems with the less amount of code possible. And yeah, sometimes if you like really think hard enough, you are going to see that you are going to be solving the same problem many times. Yeah, this is very important. Okay, so yeah, we jump twice, we land in the ground. Yeah, the actor should know about it, and then yeah, we can jump twice again. Oh, yeah, yay, it works. Yeah, like as soon as this ray touches the ground and like it becomes red, yeah, that's when our jumps reset. Yeah, I'm going to zoom out, and yeah, when I jump, that sphere in the ground becomes green, and yeah, when it is green, it means that we are in the air. When it gets red, yeah, we are in the ground. So yeah, I like it. Whenever the ray turns red for the first time, yeah, the actor knows about it, and we reset the number of jumps that we have done already. And yeah, it is working great. It's getting there. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, so today we have done collisions with the camera. Like, yeah, collisions with the camera. We did fix the camera controls. What else did we do? And yeah, we cleaned some of the code. I guess that's fine as well. And yeah, we did the jump, and we can detect when we are in the ground now. So yeah, I believe that all of this is going great. And yeah, I do not know like if I am doing this fast or slow, to be honest. I feel that everything is coming around kind of fast, you know. Again, it is because most of these are issues that I have solved already. So yes. Yeah, all of this is issues that I have solved already. So that's why I think everything is getting kind of fast. But yeah. Oh, this song is very cool. Honestly, I want to. I am a bit unsure about what I want to do when it comes to the controllers. When I started my game dev career, I wanted to, like, my dream specifically was to make a game for a Nintendo console. Like, that was my original dream, like, back then, when I started game dev. But right now, 99% of the games that I play is with keyboard and mouse, and I think that they are very good peripherals. However, I mean, I don't have... I mean, I still do not know how this is going to go. But I do not know if I want to start thinking very early about controller support. The only reason that will get me excited to have controller support right now will be to start making builds for the Steam Deck. That is the only thing right now that motivates me to maybe start testing everything with controller as well. I think of this mainly as a PC game, but yeah, I would like if this is also playable on the Steam Deck. But again, all of that is still very far, I guess. But yeah, this is starting to move well. And yeah, honestly, for the next Friday that I have this game dev stream as well, I would like to start maybe making some placeholder art, because low poly is not a style that I have done in a long time. So I mean, VR chat avatars, like, they are like, I don't know, the Anka body is like 50,000 polygons or something like that. I think that is just a lot right now. Like, for this game, I think that I am not going to have more than, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even think that I am going to have that number of polygons on the screen at the same time. Yeah, I don't think that I'm going to have more than that. And something that I want to make sure is that if I decide to make another game in the future, I want these classes to be like ready, so I can just copy this code, put it in the new project, and I have the movement solved already. Yeah, I am going to be working like that, where every not every mechanic, but every new tool that I do, I want to make sure that what I am coding is going to be good for another game in the future. Masho, how are you doing? Welcome. this looks very silly, but it is actually going good. Like, yeah, like we have camera movement, like the camera collides with the walls, and we can jump now. How you doing, Masho? Welcome. Taking save? Yes. I think that the good thing about Unity is that everything is like a different file, so everything is being saved like automatically and very often. Oh my god, I am thinking. Okay, we have max jumps 2. Why I am having oh, I guess this. Okay, I think that I am stupid because this is jumping 3 times even when the limit is 2. But yeah, I think I'm stupid sometimes. Okay, there you go. And yeah, the camera is like kind of shaking. No idea why. But yeah, this is going good. I'm happy with this so far. I guess I can sneak in like 1 or 2 more small tasks, but I am thinking what else can I address right now. Yeah, what else could I address right now that I can finish and yeah, and not make the stream like way longer? Because I am getting hungry. I'm thinking. Yeah, what could I do right now? Okay, jumping testing, run detection, testing. I guess maybe I could try to model a placeholder character right now. But I do not know if I am like in the if I am inspired for that right now. Yeah, we have collisions with the camera. We can move right now. Uh, the camera is shaky, but yeah, that can be fixed later. Oh my god, yeah. I am thinking like what can I do right now? Yeah, like jumping and camera commission is what was on my mind for today. But yeah, I did finish at least the prototype of that very early. Like I was expecting to take at least 2 hours more for that. So yes, I don't have anything in mind to do right now. Yeah, what else could I do right now? I'm thinking. Yeah, thinking what can I do right now? Yeah, I want to start testing more stuff, but I really need like a placeholder character right now because I want to start testing like I don't know stuff like dashes, climbing on the walls, uh, hanging on the edges when you're falling, that kind of stuff. But if I want to start testing that kind of stuff, yeah, I think that I need a placeholder character. And I guess my homework is going to be um, draw a placeholder character. Yeah, I guess that's going to be my homework. So yeah, I guess that I am going to end for today, for tonight I mean. And yeah, I honestly want to work on the Anka promote or I could like move and stream that as well, but I don't know. No, I think that I am going to it for tonight and yeah, work a bit offline on the avatar. Because yes, that avatar is what is on the top of my mind right now. Yeah, today I did not wanted to break the habit. I want this to be a habit where I am going to be streaming game dev on Fridays. So yes, today I do not want to break this habit. I think that that's fine for tonight. And yeah, I just want to work on the avatar right now. So yes, thank you so much everyone. And yeah, I hope that you have a nice weekend. Masha says have a good night, great progress on the live stream. Yay. No, honestly, I mean we have like 7 almost 8 hours on this and we already have like this level of movement. So I guess it's fine for now. I could like start like fixing like these collisions. But yeah, it's fine. I want to take this very slowly. So yes, I am going to get something for dinner. And yeah, work on the promo art for the Anka. So yes, thank you so much everyone. Enjoy your weekend and see you all on Monday. Night night, take care, see you all soon. Bye, Ardapor. Yeah, okay. Sadly, on the next Friday, this Amogus is going to be gone. Yeah, that's bad. See you tomorrow. Yes, I see the final of the stream. Whoa! No, I mean, that is because this project is starting, and yeah, like it is starting to warm up. DM me when you get there. Oh yeah, I think that Discord really sucks for meeting up IRL. So yeah, I think that Telegram or WhatsApp is better. When you are outside, you like Discord sends the notifications like very rarely. So yeah. Yes. Yeah. Send me your WhatsApp or your Telegram and yeah, I can let you know. Oh my god, I am so nervous about tomorrow. Okay, let's see how to make builds for Steam Deck Unity. To create builds for the Steam Deck using Unity, you need to set up your project, target Linux, and then export your game as a standalone build. After that, you can transfer the build to your Steam Deck and add it to your library for play. I see. Yeah, I guess I am going to do this on the weekend, just like see what happens. Uh, yeah, it's fine. But yeah, take care, everyone. See you all soon. Enjoy your weekend. And don't forget to eat your fruits and vegetables, everyone. So you can grow strong. Yes. But yeah, take care. See you soon. Bye bye, everyone. Okay, let's see. Bye. See you soon. Bye. Bye bye.